Hello, everyone, and it is a very privilege for me to be talking to Dr. Himanshu Gupta, who has just secured All India Rank 45 in NEET SS Surgical Group 2025. So, welcome, Dr. Himanshu, and congratulations for
Thank you,
your
sir.
great achievement and feeling so happy for you. So, just describe this moment that getting in the top 50. How does it feel for you?
Sir, in the beginning, actually, ऐसा लगा ही नहीं कि that I scored 45 rank, but gradually, when people are calling and when I'm seeing the results again and again, now finally I'm beginning to digest that, it is 45 rank.
Right. So, how many times have you checked the results?
Sir, around 4 to 5 times by me, and uh, my wife also appeared for the exam and she
Right.
also scored quite good rank. She
Okay.
also checked.
Oh,
So,
nice.
yes, it is
Nice.
45 only.
Great to hear. So just describe about your journey. How has it been, and when did you do your MS, and when did you start for NEET SS, and how up and like from start till beginning to this date, how has your journey been, so that all the aspirants can take a lesson from you?
Right, sir. So, sir, I have completed my DNB from Max Super Specialty Hospital, Delhi
Okay.
in 2023. I have completed my DNB in 2023. After that, I worked as SR in some institutions, corporate hospitals, and then I get to know that doing SS is the most important part because general surgery is actually vanishing from the big corporates.
Yeah.
So SS is very important, and for if you want to own your own establishment, then also SS is compulsory. So 1.5 year back, I realized that SS should be done and it is compulsory. Then I started preparing for SS, and I'm lucky, or matlab, my parents also supported me a lot. So from past 6 months, I left my job and I gave my complete time for SS preparation from past 6 months. I didn't do any kind of job or nor attended any OTs and all. So initially it was tough to sort things out. That initially I was very much confused ki whether to go for Bailey, Sebastian or Schwartz, which question bank to choose, which notes to choose from. Then eventually, the as the exam closes on, and I focused that revising multiple times is much more important than covering a great, matlab, huge syllabus is huge. It is endless. You cannot practically cover everything.
Yeah.
So you have to, looking from the previous year question papers and question banks, you have to filter out things which you have to revise again and again
Yeah.
because it is very volatile. Like Mathis and Nahai classification and all the TNMs, they are very volatile. So you have to revise them again and again. Since exam के 2 महीने पहले तक I have completed my all my syllabus 2 months before the exam, जितना
Right.
मुझे पढ़ना था.
Yeah.
In last 2 months, I revised that what I've studied, and I solved practice tests, matlab mocks, GTs, and question banks multiple times, and that only made it possible reaching here.
Yeah. So I think what you said, what I can infer is that proper planning and clarity of thought about what you have to do to achieve what you achieved right now, and the importance of revision and all we'll discuss later on. But these are few of the things which I think that it's common with the achievers, that they have a very clear head, they have proper planning, they have dedication and hard work. And I think if all of the people will be listening this, if they incorporate this into their preparation, it will make wonders for them. So that's a great
Right,
thing,
sir.
Dr. Imanshu. So next, what I want to ask you is about, just tell us about that. How much did you concentrate on the textbooks, and what things you read, or what textbooks you covered, or how much you covered, so that we can get an idea, and also highlight about Bailey reading, Sabiston reading, and Schwartz, and how did you incorporate all of them, and what is your advice for the aspirants?
Sir, actually, academically, I'm not a very strong guy. I also gave NEET 24 and I scored a rank of 3000. The change I did this year is I read Bailey line to line along with the notes, and I have solved questions multiple times. Same question I've also solved multiple times because every time you read explanation, you get a different thing to learn
Yes.
from. And GTs, I made sure that after giving every GT, I revise it the next day or very next day, so that you can really match or correlate what you were thinking at that time solving the question, what went wrong and what you should have done right. And matlab, the major difference from last year to this time and this rank shift is I solved questions, a lot of questions,
Yes.
line to
So
line. Yes, sir.
right. So what other than Bailey, what is your take on solving Savastan or reading Savastan, and what about Schwartz, and how will you describe about the paper been, and how is the importance of all three books for NEET SS specifically?
Sir Bailey, I have covered line to line. Regarding Sebastian Schwartz, that I have read from your notes,
Okay.
Sushut notes, because I guess in 6 months, being an average human, I can only cover Bailey. Covering Schwartz and Sebastian line to line 6 months is, for me, it is not possible. It might be
Right.
possible for some, but for
Right.
me, it wasn't possible.
Right.
This I have realized within 10 days of my preparation.
Right. So I think that is also very important point which I want to highlight is that we need to understand our limitation, that what we can do, because sometimes hearing all the people, we tend to give ourselves huge targets which we eventually
Right, sir.
cannot do it, and then we go into the vicious cycle of not being able to complete, going into the depression mode of not being able to complete. So I think that's a very important thing, that understanding a limitation and fixing some plan that I have to read this and I have to read it multiple times. So that's a
Right, sir.
huge thing that all of the students should be listening to and understanding this. So next, Dr. Himanshu, I want to ask you about the MCQ practice and how much role does it play, and what you did, and what would be your advice to the aspirants who will be listening to this.
Sir, for me, I guess MCQ played a major role. Like, uh, I've skipped multiple theory topics, but for those topics, I didn't skip a single MCQ. I've solved all the MCQs multiple times and line to line. Because let's suppose if you take Bailey's paragraph, आपने paragraph पढ़ा, you get what it is written, but the keywords you can find is by solving MCQs.
Yes.
And if you want to retain that paragraph, you have to solve MCQ. That is the thing, sir. So I guess MCQ solving played a major role in my rank. If
Yeah.
you won't be able to solve MCQ, matlab if you don't solve MCQs, you don't know what is important and what is not important.
Right. So that the students get to know the different things. So, what has been your strategy of MCQ solving? Like, how many you did per day? In what type of what was your plan for the MCQ solving? How much did you review them? What was your analysis like, and how many times you did it, so that they can get an overview of how MCQ solving should be done?
Sir, I put a major chunk of my time in MCQ solving. Like for example, if I study 8 hours in a day, 4 hours goes to MCQ solving. And in 4 hours, I try to cover most of the topic. It is not like that. Let's suppose if I study stomach today, I won't be solving the questions related to stomach. I'll be solving questions related to esophagus or the topic I studied 2 days before or 3 days before,
Yes.
which you actively told in most of your
Yes.
webinars, active recalling. That's what strategy I followed.
Yeah.
And along with after solving MCQs, I revise them by adding those things in my notes, which are
Right.
not there in the notes.
Right. So I think that's a very basic thing that I keep on repeating, and I think that works also. That space recall, or doing in a spaced manner, that you read today, solve later. But MCQ solving should be done and actively, as you
Yes, sir.
said, and you should be very active. It is not just solving the MCQs and reading the explanation. It is about incorporating that in your
Right, sir.
revision material so that you know what is important. And another ranker yesterday also told, and what you emphasize is that when you read, you should understand that what is the keyword from where the MCQs are being framed.
Right,
So
sir.
that's a
Right, sir.
very important thing, Dr. Himanshu, what you mentioned. So moving on to the next thing is about the importance of notes, because some people want to use it, but they are in the confusion. Some people make their own notes. So what has been your journey with the notes per se? Because you have been using ours, so I just want your opinion on that and feedback on that.
Sir, actually, if let's suppose Bailey itself is a very big book for me, and actively recalling all the things written in Bailey is not possible. So let's suppose you read something from Bailey and you read the notes. So you got to know that these are the keywords and these are the important things which are highlighted and which are marked for NEET SS. So you get a better understanding of textbook through notes. And for Sebastian Schwartz, I was completely dependent on new notes only.
Yeah.
So I guess matlab, it is very important that you have a good set of notes, and you have most important thing is you have to trust those notes. If the
Yes.
trust is not there, you will be craving for ki ye bhi pad lo, ye bhi pad lo. That is
Yes.
something that pulls you back.
I think this is also something which I emphasize was that don't go into that FOMO mode that I have to cover from here, there. Don't do that. Stick to one
Right, sir.
material. And I think that we being surgeons, once we start practicing or solving or reading from somewhere, we understand the quality and then your trust should be there that, okay, this is enough. I should stick to it. So that's a very important
Sir.
thing. Next thing coming to is the importance of mock exams, Dr. Himanshu. That how about and how you went about the mocks and what is your advice on the same?
Sir, decathlon played a very important role. I used to give all the tests of DCAT and used to revise them. Apart from it, GTs of other platform as well as I have solved so that I can keep a track of
Yes.
myself. So I have actively given maybe mostly all the mocks in all the GTs, whichever
Right.
come through in last 6 months.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Matlab, I was very aggressive in giving GTs. Every 7 days or 5 days, I used to give a GT.
Right. So, what is your like opinion and what is your advice to the aspirants about the importance of mocks? One and second thing is how they should utilize the mocks, and what is your strategy being for analyzing the mocks and reviewing them, and what is your advice to the aspirants?
So mocks are integral part of this journey. Like if you are a complete human, mocks are your legs in this journey,
Yes.
which will take you towards your result. So mocks should be given 7 days, 5 days, depend upon how much you can. Matlab, mocks are draining, so it should not. You should not suffer that आज अगर आपने mock दे दिया तो you are not studying for 2 days. This should not happen.
Yes.
Mock should be given, and you should revise them within next 24 or 48 hours. Then only you will be able to collate that this I have done wrong here and I have to think in another manner. Then
Right.
only they are helpful. If you have given mock today and you are revising the mock after 15-20 days, then it makes no sense.
Yes. I think that's a very important thing that students don't tend to give focus on the mocks. They just think that I will complete my syllabus and then give mocks, few mocks. But mocks are there to judge yourself and to analyze them and work on them rather than taking it as a something to demotivate. It should be taken as an encouragement that I know the mistakes now. That's a very
Right, sir.
important thing what you mentioned, Dr. Manchu. And the next is about the importance of revision and what is your take on that? Because I think I have also emphasized and a lot of rankers give importance to that. What has been your take on the importance of revision?
Sir, if mocks are your legs, revision is your brain.
Yes.
If you don't revise, you won't be able to how much you studied. If you don't revise it, you won't be able to recall in the exam. It's already high pressure situation. Revision should be this much that it becomes your spinal reflex, that you don't have to think about the questions. Like for example, this year Mathi's Nahi classification came, so in the Bailey same diagram is given. So revision should be done such way in such a manner in that times that it becomes your reflex that a question and you have ticked it.
Yes.
Revision should be done in such a manner in such so many times. Like for example, TNMs are very volatile,
Yeah.
so every third or fourth day I used to revise the TNMs and tables.
Yes. I think that's a very important thing, and I think that's a very basic underlying statement that revision should be there in your plan from day one, no matter how many times you can do it, but you should keep revision. So I think we have covered a lot of points, and the aspirants listening should take a note from this. So now, coming to Dr. Himanshu, I want to ask you is about you have been a Sushruta LJS user. So what has been your journey with us, and just tell us about the pros and cons of our platform so that it helps us to get encouraged and motivated to do what we are doing, and also if we have something lacking we can improve upon for the next batch.
So the first and most important thing in your platform is that you are available, so that if you need guidance, if let's suppose if content is not working, questions are not working, then we can communicate with you at any time, because someone trustworthy is needed through to guide us through the journey. The second important thing is this time the question level as well as the material of questions were lengthy, and through the decathlon we got a hand of it, that if a lengthy questions come, then how to tackle it within a span of 45 seconds. And then that particular thing helped me a lot during the exams. Plus the notes, as I already told, that I haven't touched Sebastian or Schwartz. So notes covered it very well. And GT's notes and the questions framing is very good, sir.
Yes.
The regular questions that we solve from the of the subjects are matlab, if you have solved a question, let's suppose there are 200 questions of breast in Sushrut. If you solve those 200 questions, you get a touch of Bailey, Sebastian, Schwartz, all three together.
Yeah.
So you have covered all the highlighted areas of three books by solving the questions itself. So it is
Right.
very good, sir.
Yeah. Thank you for the kind words. And if
Thank
anything
you, sir.
you feel that it is missing or we should improve upon, also please feel free to share so that we
Surely,
can
sir.
work on that.
Right, sir. It is almost complete.
Okay, and thank you so
Right,
much
sir.
for that. So,
Thank you, sir.
coming to the end of this talk, I want to uh, specifically give you the floor so that you can pass on a message and tell to the aspirants who will be listening to you that how they can reach to a level where you are right now. So, the floor is open for you.
So first important, before even starting the journey, you have to have a clear head and you have to make sure that this is the subject I'm going to read and from here it is I'm going to read. Like in the starting, I decided ki I will read Bailey, notes and questions, and that will be all. I won't go for matlab for other textbooks or different material. This is the material that I have chosen that makes your base. So first thing is choose your base very well and put your complete trust and faith in it. The second thing is after every few days you have to revise what you have studied in the last so that it goes into your subconscious mind and it becomes a reflex. And thirdly, solving MCQs is very important. If you are not solving MCQs, theory might not be of any use
Yes.
because just reading theory and grabbing the theory doesn't help you solving MCQs. And fourthly, revision is the most important. Revision is the most important aspect of this preparation. The more you revise, the more you inches closer towards the success.
Yes, I think that's a very comprehensive and very short but very meaningful message what you passed on to the aspirants who will be listening to this. So I want to congratulate again. And
Thank
as
you,
a
sir.
habit, I ask you already mentioned that you want to go for urology. So what is your plan like? Where you are planning to go for the?
Sir, mostly I'll be planning for IKD or SMS.
Okay,
Let's hope I get one of them.
okay. If you come to
Right, sir.
IKD in Ahmedabad, please come and meet me.
Surely, sir. That is first. That will be the first thing I'll do.
Yeah.
Right,
So
sir. Thank you, sir.
congratulations, Dr. Himanshu, again, and welcome to the field of super speciality. And also, the Euro Club will be open to welcome you. So thank you so much for taking out
Thank you,
time
sir.
and thank you so much for taking
Thank you,
out
sir.
time and joining with us. It has been great privilege for me to be
Same
talking to
here, sir.
you, and best of luck for your future endeavors.
Thank you, sir. All thanks to you, all your blessings.
And always, God bless you. So, to ask about your wife, how did she do? What was her score and everything?
Sir, actually, I started my preparation 6 months ago. She started her preparation 3 months ago, and she
Okay,
scored well. She'll be able to get a good onco surgery seat in
okay,
Delhi.
okay, great.
Yes, sir.
Please congratulate her also on my behalf.
She was also Sushruta user only.
Oh, okay, nice, great.
Right,
Glad to
sir.
hear that. So, what was your rank? If you would like to share, what was her rank?
Sir, her rank was 950.
Okay, congratulate her on my behalf,
Thank you, sir.
and best of luck to both of you, power couple, to go into Euro and Onco.
Thank you, sir.
It is very nice to see because even me and my wife are like gastro and plastic, and you are also going to be that super socialization couple. So all the best to you.
Thanks, sir. All thanks to you. All your blessings.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much. We'll